Hi students, good morning to everyone. Right. Today's class board problem from the chapter quadratic equation. Okay. In earlier classes, two types of board problems are completed. Okay. So one is the consecutive add positive integers. The another one is upstream downstream. Okay. So from the example sums. Now exercise problem. Okay. Now 8th question. Exercise 4.3. 8th question. Okay. So the question you copy from your book. The question you will copy from your book. Okay, right. I'll explain the question. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. ஒரு ட்ரெயின் இருக்கு. Okay, it should be uniform speed. Okay, for first ஒரு 5 km 30 km per kilometer per hour, then second after 10 minutes is 100 km per hour. It is not there. Okay, uniform speed அப்படினா இங்க ஸ்டார்டிங்ல என்ன ஸ்பீட்ல ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றானோ end பண்ற வரை எண்டிங் பாயிண்ட் வரை சேம் ஸ்பீட். ஓகே, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 100 km per hour னா full distance என்னது 100 km per hour. Okay, right. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, 5 km per hour more, speed increase பண்றாங்க. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இப்போ ஒரு ட்ரெயின் இருக்கு. ஓகேவா, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன பண்றாங்கன்னா ஒரு 100 km, it is not a accurate speed. Okay, just our assumption. Okay, so it takes 2 hours. ஏதோ ஸ்பீட் இருக்கு, இந்த டிஸ்டன்ஸ் வந்து a train travels 360 km. அந்த டிஸ்டன்ஸ் 360 km அவங்க ரீச் பண்றதுக்கு இப்ப அந்த ட்ரெயின் ஸ்பீட் 100 km per hour அப்படினா 3 hours 60 minutes வரும். 3.6 hours வரும். Okay, now speed is more, it had been more, 5 km per hour more. Okay, now 105 km per hour. Okay, so the time should be decreased now, isn't it? இப்போ என்ன பண்றானா, இப்போ நான் ஒரு 60 km ஸ்பீட்ல போறேன், ஒரு அரியல் இருக்கும்போது ஒரு half an hour ஆகுது. ஓகேவா, it takes 30 minutes. Okay, now I increase the speed instead of 60-70 km speed. Okay, so surely the time should be reduced. அப்படிதானே, கண்டிப்பா ரெடியூஸ் ஆகும். அப்படிதானே, இப்போ 60 km per hour ல போகும்போது 30 minutesல ரீச் பண்ற அப்படினா அந்த ஸ்பீடை இன்கிரீஸ் பண்ணோம்னா அந்த டைம் குறையுமா குறையாதா? சோ இப்போ இதோட டைம் அதிகமா இருக்கும், இந்த டைம் தான் அதிகமா இருக்கும். ஓகேவா, ரைட். It would have taken 1 hour less. இந்த இடத்துல வந்து क्वेश्चனை கரெக்ட்டா ரீட் பண்ணனும். the together கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, togetherனா ரெண்டுமே சேர்த்து. ஓகேவா, எது கொடுத்திருக்கானே கரெக்ட்டா அப்படி போகும்போது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம ஒரு யூனிஃபார்ம் ஸ்பீட்ல போறோம். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 100 km per hour ஸ்பீட்ல போறோம். டைம் டேக் 3.6 hours. ஓகே, சோ நெக்ஸ்ட் என்ன பண்றானா 105 km per hour ல போகும்போது எவ்வளவு டைம் ரெடியூஸ் ஆகும்னா 1 hour ரெடியூஸ் ஆகுது. 1 hour ரெடியூஸ் ஆகுது, 2.6 hours தான் கிடைக்குது. ஓகே, it is for our assumption only, not the accurate measurement, isn't it? Right. So by இதோட மெஷர்மென்ட்ஸ் இதோட டைம் அதிகமா இருக்கும், ஸ்பீட் கம்மியா இருக்கும்போது அதிகமா இருக்கும். ஸ்பீட் அதிகமாக டைம் டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகும். ஓகே, ரைட். Find the speed of the train. Find the speed of the train. Right. So the train speed we don't know. So I will assume, let us take the speed of train be x km per hour. Let the speed of the train be x km per hour. Okay, right. Now the distance travels how much? Distance covered by train. Distance covered by train is equal to 360 kilometer. The distance covered by train. Okay, so train வந்து எவ்வளவு distance cover பண்ணிருக்கு? 360 kilometer. Okay, right. So speed already you know. The distance also you know. Okay, so you want to find the time. Last question you found it. Upstream, downstream. Okay, distance, speed, time. Distance, speed, time. Okay, so we know the distance and the speed. So what is the time? Time formula, distance by speed. Okay, now you mention it. Time is equal to distance by speed. Now time formula is equal to distance by speed. Distance by speed. Okay, right. Now then the time taken, then the time taken to cover 360 kilometer is equal to 360 divided by x hours. Why? The time formula distance by speed. Okay, so then the time taken to cover 360 kilometer. Taken to cover 360 kilometer. Okay ba? So 360 kilometer cover பண்றதுக்கு எவ்வளவு டைம் ஆகும் கேக்குறாங்க. So time formula distance by speed. Okay, what about speed? We assumed x kilometer per hour. Okay, right. So first one over. Then second one, it increased. The speed is increased. Okay, when speed is increased, speed is increased. How much? Increased by 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, now what is the current speed? So already some speed is there, that is x. Okay, now 5 kilometer per hour increased. Okay, 5 kilometer when speed is increased by 5 kilometer per hour, then the time to taken, then the time taken to cover. Okay, what is the distance now? Same distance, 360 kilometer divided by x plus 5. Okay, now what is the current speed? X plus 5. Okay, so earlier we took as x kilometer per hour. X kilometer per hour. Now speed is increased by 5 kilometer per hour. So already 60 kilometer is there. Now 5 kilometer is increased. So 60 plus 5, 65 kilometer. Okay, so but earlier speed we don't know. Just assumption x. So x plus 5. Okay, right. Now what is the next according to condition? Right, according to condition. எப்பொழுதுமே என்ன பண்றேன்னா the first டைம்ல இருந்து செகண்ட் டைம் மைனஸ் பண்றேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம்ல இருந்து செகண்ட் டைம் மைனஸ் பண்றேன். equal to what is the time? 1 hour less. You should write 1. Sir, the 1 hour less இருக்குன்னா 1 போறா less னா மைனஸ் தானே? இல்ல listen. The speed is increased. Listen, the speed is increased, you should write positive. The speed is decreased, suppose here x minus 5 na, here negative value. Okay, I will explain now. Right. For example, here, the last experiment, 100 kilometers per hour la pogudhu. Okay, for a time. So time increase ஆகும்போது, sorry, the speed increase ஆகும்போது time reduce தான ஆகும். புரியுதா இல்லையா? அதாவது வேகத்தை நம்ம அதிகரிக்கிறோம். ரொம்ப ஸ்பீடா போகும்போது நம்ம ரீச் பண்ண வேண்டிய நம்ம டிஸ்டன்ஸை வந்து வெரி ஷார்ட்டா ரீச் பண்ணிடலாம். ஸோ எந்த டைம் அதிகமா இருக்கும்? இதுதான் அதிகமா இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ இது எப்போதுமே கம்மியாக தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ அதான் இங்கே போட்டுருக்காங்க லெஸ். ஓகேவா? 1 hour லெஸ் நம்ம வச்சுக்கிறோம். இல்லை அப்படின்னா லெஸ் மைனஸ் ப்ளஸ் நீ வைக்கணும். உனக்கு டவுட் இருந்துச்சுன்னா ஒன்றும் இல்லை. ஸோ எப்பொழுதுமே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்பீடு வச்சுப்போம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் மைனஸ் செகண்ட் டைம். ஓகேவா? the speed is increased na positive, the speed is decreased na negative. Okay va? I will explain one more sum. Right now, as usual, cross multiplication 360. The 360 is common. No, you take it as common. The remaining what is it? 1 by x. Okay, here 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1. Okay, it is 1, not 11. Okay, 360 is common. Okay, but remaining 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 5. Okay, now you cross multiply 360 into cross multiplication x plus 5 cross multiplication minus x divided by x into x plus 5 is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Okay. Okay, now the plus x minus x cancel. Plus x minus x cancel. The remaining 360 into 1 by x into x plus x into 5x is equal to 1. Okay, 360 take it as common. Okay, remaining here x plus 5 minus x. In the x cancel, remaining 5. Okay, remaining 5 if you want to write here. Yes, sorry. Remaining 5. X cancel, remaining 5. Okay, and denominator x into x square. X into x square. Okay, then plus 5x. Okay, x into 5x. Okay, x into 5x is equal to 1. It is equal to 1. Okay, now not enough space. Okay, so write it here. So once again listen. First the train speed we assume as x km/h. Okay, distance is given 360 km. The times formula I have to write it distance by speed. Okay, so first then the time taken to cover 360 km is equal to 300 distance by speed. Okay, distance is 360 divided by x hours. Okay, then when speed is increased by 5 km/h, then the time taken to cover 360 divided by x plus 5 hour. Okay, hours. Right now, according to condition, 1 hour less. Okay, so cross multiplication 360 is common. Remaining 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 5. Next cross multiplication x plus 5 minus x. Now plus x minus x cancel. Remaining x into 5 x plus 5. Okay, here 5. X into x square, x into 5x. Okay, now 360 into 5 is equal to x square plus 5x. Okay, now x square plus 5x. Okay, so 360 into x, 360 into 5, 1800. Okay, so plus 1800 minus 1800. Okay, it should be equal to 0. Okay, so many students are made some mistakes here. Okay, so like this you how to write it. Every number write பண்ற. Okay, write பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க பாத்துக்கோ. சரியா? Here it should be 0. Okay, our recurrent equation is x square plus okay, I write it. X square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. Okay, 1800 is equal to 0. Okay, so it is a regular quadratic equation. Okay, x square plus 5x minus 1800. Okay, now a value A value 1, B value 5, C value minus 1800. Okay, so first we find B square minus 4AC. B square minus 4AC is equal to B value 5. So 5 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1800. Okay, 5 square into 5 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1800. So 5 square value 25. Okay, minus 4 into 1800. 4 into 18, 72. Okay, so 72, 7200 plus 7200. Okay, because minus in the minus plus. Okay, so 7225. So it is greater than 0. Okay, so B square minus 4AC is equal to 7225. It is greater than 0. Okay, so next you write the formula. X is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. Divided by 2A. Then now substitute the values. X is equal to minus B value 5 minus 5 plus or minus 7,225 divided by 2 into A value 1. Okay. Next we have to find the square root of 7,225. 7,225. Okay. Taking square root. So while taking square root, first we choose two digits from last. Okay. So 2 digits 1 plug. Next to 2 digits 1 plug. Next to 2 digits 1 plug. Okay. So it is 1 plug. Here 1 plug. Okay. In 72, which is a preferred square, less than 72. 8 8s are 64. 9 9s are 81. Okay, so we have only 72, so it should be less than 72 or equal to 72. Okay, so 64 only possible. 8 8s are 64. Okay, so next procedure, subtraction. 2 minus 4 we cannot subtract it. So 12 minus 4 8. Next to down 25. Next to black. Okay, next to 2 digits take it. Now here 8 16. 8 and 16. Right. 16. Here you have to write any one digits. Then multiply the same digit. For example, 5 into 5. Okay. 5 5s are 25. 5 remainder 2. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 2 32. Remainder 32. 2 remainder balance 3. 1 5 is 5. 5 plus 3 8. Okay. So it is correct. Suppose the value is less than 824. Next you take 6. Okay, it is greater than 5 only. Okay, right now 0. Okay, now you choose 5 now. So answer 5. Okay, 85. So x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus 85 divided by 2. Divided by 2. Okay, so x is equal to minus 5 plus 85 divided by 2 and minus 5 minus 85 divided by 2. Okay, so x is equal to 80 divided by 2. Here minus 90 divided by 2. Okay, so x is equal to 40 minus 45. Okay, but x is a speed. The speed of the train. Okay, so the speed is not negative. It should not be negative. Okay, so it is rejected. Okay, so speed cannot be negative. Okay, so minus 45 rejected. Okay, so x is equal to 40. Okay, so speed of the train is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. Okay, 40 kilometer per hours. 40 kilometer per hours. Okay, so that's all this question. Okay, this question over. Okay. Next, the homework sum I will explain now. One sum is homework. Okay, just I will give hint now. 10th question. An express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train to travel 132 km between Mysore and Bangalore without taking into consideration the time they stop at intermediate stations. If the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of the two trains. Okay, so last question பார்த்தோம்னா ஒரே train தான் but speed increase பண்ணோம். Now we have two trains. Okay, so one is passenger, another one is express. Okay, so you know the speed of the passenger and you know the speed of the express. Okay, you know the difference between these two trains. Okay, so அப்ப எது வந்து ரொம்ப டைம் அதிகமாகும், passenger or express? Okay, passenger train only take more time. Okay, so for passenger train time minus express, okay, it is equal to 1 hour less. Okay, so I will give the hint only. First, speed of the passenger train x kilometer per hour. Okay, x kilometer per hour. Next is speed of the express train x plus 11 kilometer per hour. Very clear? Okay, so distance covered by the distance covered or distance is equal to 132 kilometer. 132 kilometer. Okay, now listen. Next, the time taken by passenger train 132 by x. Okay, the train express train time taken by express train 132 divided by x plus 11. Okay, is equal to 1 hour less. Okay, so next you take cross multiplication, find one quadratic equation. Okay, from that quadratic equation you can find the solution, okay, of x values. Okay, if x is negative you reject it because x is speed of the train. Okay, it cannot be negative. Okay, thank you students.